Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Design with Ajay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a HD video in SolidWorks 2020 version. So here is a gearbox which I've already created. It is known as a right angle gearbox. I have also created a motion study. So after creating a motion study, there is an option called as Save Animations. So when you click on the Save Animation, you have to select an option called as 16:9 Custom Aspect Ratio. After selecting this, you have to enter a frames per second. I've entered 30 frames per second. Then click on Save button, then click on OK, and yes, it started recording. And this will take a bit more time, and I'm going to show you which is already pre-recorded. You can pause this. Yeah, this is the one which I have recorded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.